Good morning everyone, welcome to the Don Amott Showground in Hilton, Derby. My name is Tom and today I'm showing you around this lovely Auto XL 690L. So the 690, it means it's 6.9 metres in length, and then the L stands for lounge. So it's got the rear U-shaped lounge at the back, okay? What I'm going to do is take you around now, okay? So you've got, it's a 2025, so it's brand new. No owners. You've got the front parking sensors just down here on there as well in the nice grey cab. I think it's called grey matter cab. You've got the gloss black alloy wheels just there as well. Moving down, the decals go down the side of the van. Looks like you've got like the side vents, which looks really smart. You've got your mains hookup. You've got your toilet set. External shower is just there as well. Freshwater fill. Just here we have underbench storage. Just here, look, it goes right the way through to the other side, and you've got the bench storage just underneath there. You have got a reversing camera at the top, like I say, 6.9 metres in length, so it just gives you a helping hand reversing. You've also got the fuel bike rack fitments just here. So with that, it just means your bike rack is ready. It just clips onto the fitments just there. If you did want to carry some bikes, okay. This is just the other side of your storage space. You can access it, like I say, from both sides. So this is just that side of it, okay. You can just see on the top TV aerial, just hidden, just at the top there. So you've got TV aerial on board, and you've also got an external gas barbecue point. So that means you don't need to go in here to get a gas bottle out if you want to barbecue. It comes directly off the bottles already connected. You just need to attach it straight to your barbecue just there. Okay, right, jumping in. We'll go in first. I'll let Jack go in. Right, down to the cab then. So you've got the nice size entertainment screen here on the Ford, which is where all your heating controls and aircon, and then it's like Apple CarPlay ready and stuff ready just down there. You've got the gear selector down the bottom, which is like the rotary one, which is new for 2025. Cab blinds, cruise control, digital dash, USB points, 12-volt points all around there as well. As we look around there, I think it's auto lights as well. And you've also got the captain's chairs just here, so they do spin round, so you can have like a dining area at the front also. Now this is a slightly thinner than your normal coach wheels. On the XL range, they're almost like as thin as a van conversion, because it sort of follows the cab down, so you have not got the bulk. But still, it's very spacious inside. But yeah, if you wanted just a little more compact and a little bit thinner coach wheel, then this is the one. You've got storage at the top just there. Solar panel is on the roof as well, so you've solar panel on board. This does make into a bed. Now, it's not the emergency bed that goes that way. It actually goes here. So it replaces this whole thing, which will be a picture in the advert. So it's like a full-size single bed, which is good. So if you did want to bring grandchildren or friends, anything like that, family along, you can. We'll move on down. We've got your sink, nice deep sink just there. Storage in the top. You've got microwave at the top as well. 3-burner gas hob, and your oven grill is just down below, and you've got all your storage space just down there also. Little like spice rack just here. Just in the washroom, you've got your toilet, you've got your shower and your sink. So the shower comes out of the sink just there, look, and it hooks up at the top. And then you've got little storage compartments, that sort of thing, all around there as well. Nice size mirror. Doing a 180 just up to the fridge. You've got the 12-volt compressor fridge up here. Nice size fridge just there. Little freezer compartment at the top, and you've got all the fridge storage just down the bottom as well. Believe that, yeah, table storage. So if you don't want the table up in the front, you can store it just in there, or use it for whatever storage you need. And then you've got like an airplane overhead lockers just here and here, and then both the other side as well, which are all for your storage. So this does make up into a double bed as well. So it's literally a case of this drops down and you slide it out, and there's all the rails, look, so it comes right there, and you can have the big double bed. I'll take the back cushions off, and then that creates a large bed at the back. Or if you are tall enough, small enough, you could potentially take off the back and use it as 2 singles just there as well. Okay, and then you've got storage access from both sides, just down here and here. So you got loads of storage around there. Okay, spot on. Lastly, you've got wardrobe, I believe. Yep, just wardrobe space in there, and you've got a little one with drawers and not drawers, shelves just below that as well. Okay, perfect. So your ideal van for the two of you. If you wanted a rear lounge just to chill out, you've got a TV point on this side as well. So yeah, perfect van. And then if you did want to bring people along, you've got the seat belts, you've got a spare bed. So yeah, it's perfect for if you've got grandkids, friends, family, that sort of thing. It's all there. Okay, so this will be on our pitch as soon as this video ends. If you have enjoyed it, if you've got any questions, ring up, ask for Tom. I'm your man, and I'll be happy to help.